Hi Bashers! So ang question mo ngayon is, paano ba gumawa ng 5-star testimonial sa mga clients na hindi pa naman nagbayad sa'yo? So yung free service lang ito. The way to do it is this. Most of the times kasi ang ginagawa,
Sige pre, sige sis, sige besh, ako nagagawa niyan. Basta, bigyan mo akong testimonial ha.
ang problema sa ganun is parang convoluted, parang may intention, parang malansa, napipilitan. And that's not the way that we actually work. The way to do it is this. Ayon sa book na influence si Robert Cialdini, the best way to do it is through reciprocity. But we don't put the reciprocity, the forcing, before the work has been done. The way that you do it is by actually giving value and say, pre, ako nang bahala dyan. And when you do deliver the work, and they say na, uy, pre, ang lupit naman ito. Pre, pasuyo naman. Okay lang ba yung sinabi mo tungkol sa ginawa ko? Pwede mo bang i-post sa timeline mo yan, yung specific na nagustuhan mo about my work? And that is how you ask for a 5-star testimonial na hindi sleazy, hindi scammy, hindi porsado, kahit na doon sa client na libre lang yung trabaho mo. Bye, Bashers!